welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I got a new toy today. I got this pottery spinner and I figured I could use it to spin my bigger pieces. So I just want to show you my setup. I've never used it before. It's gonna be a disaster. This is in the middle of my floor. So I put a tarp down. I have this 4-foot puppy pool. I covered it in garbage bags. Put it on top. Now, this top circle is about 10 inches. So for some reason, I just thought it would be better. I put a 10-inch board upside down. And when I tried spinning with a dry one yesterday, it didn't move, but I just put on a new one and it moved. So I'm putting a little tape. I have a 32-inch round today. So hopefully that will keep it I'm not going to spin it like super fast, but hopefully it'll keep it still. The only problem is I can't really tilt it that much before spinning, but we'll see what happens. So this is the thing. I got this on Amazon. It was really expensive, so I hope it's worth it. And I can't even pronounce what it's called, but it's spelled S-E-A-A-N from China. And there's two. You could either use it with your hand or there's a foot pedal. I just want to warn you, if you do, so it's on now and it's offhand adjustment. So when I press the foot pedal, it goes fast. Whoa, I'm not gonna go that fast. But I just wanna warn you, if the foot pedal is already down when you turn it on, it's gonna just go crazy and fly. So you wanna make sure your foot pedal is always down. I have no idea even if this is gonna hold in all the paint. I guess we'll see. Here we go. Okay, so update. I did a test before putting paint on and the 10-inch round fell off. So I just taped it directly on the thing. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna use a bunch of colors that I mixed up the other day. I did a live bloom for a couple hundred people at the Shelly Art class, so I don't remember all of them. I'm just gonna throw them on because really, we don't really care. We just wanna see if this works and how messy it is, right? Hopefully we'll get a nice bloom, but you never know. Okay, so I laid my black pillow down. Let me turn this on and make sure the pedal's down, make it to manual. Okay, so let's start doing things. Since it's a dark pillow anyways, I'll start with my light. And who knows even if I have enough, yeah, I should have enough paint. All right, but we don't really care. This is just for funsies. I'm gonna lay it down messy. You'll notice I'm wearing a chef's coat because my father-in-law provides linens and stuff for restaurants, and he got me some old chef coats. So hopefully I won't be that dirty, but who knows. And I'm really hoping the paint will stay inside this thing. We don't know. Okay, so I have a 2 paint down. That was Amsterdam Blue Violet, I believe. So now, why don't we go, I have this PBO Iridescent Blue Green. So basically I'm going to I have all blues and pinks, so we're just gonna throw it down, right? On top of that, I'll do a pigment. Why don't I do, I love these pigments. It's called This Little Piggy, this little pigment from fluidart.co. This is called Mermaid. It's a really sparkly bluish green. And then why don't we do like a pink on top? Okay. What kind of pink? Okay, I'll do this PBO pink violet or pink blue. It's an iridescent. All right. I'll go with an opaque on top of some sort. Let's see what we got. Well, I like this one. This is Liquitex Prism Violet. It's just going to be a color explosion, but we don't really care if it looks crazy, right? Okay. And, oh, why don't I do an iridescent? This is also this little piggy. This is called Twinkle. We're just gonna spin slowly, carefully, but kind of spin it like crazy. Okay, what we got next? So I had an iridescent. Do I have any more sparklies? Why don't I use, okay, what I'm gonna do, let's keep it more simple. Although, let me put this, so this is another one of my favorite blues. This is Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. I really like it. Get all my favorite colors in there, right? Then I'll do my other favorite color, Liquitex Gouache, Fluorescent Violet. I only have a little bit of that. I'm already sweating. I'll just go on half. And then I'll do gold, this little piggy, Harvest Gold. Then I'll do Matisse Australian Red Violet, and then we'll do it, okay? All right. A little bit of gold on this side. It's certainly gonna be a little crazy looking. Okay, and then the Australian Red Violet. It's a little thick. Let's see how this one is. All right. We'll just pour it right on there. Okay. I'm gonna use my regular hair dryer today. I have Payne's Gray Cell Activator. It's the Shelly Art recipe. If you wanna know what it is, I would suggest taking the Shelly Art class. I have a 15% discount in my comment, in my description there. All right, so I can see we're already tilting a little bit this way. Let's see. All right, just move it along slowly back to the middle because I don't want to disturb it too much. I did use a level to make sure it was level. It's like not perfect, but like I can already see it's tilting this way a bit. So I hope that doesn't bother us too much. All right, are you ready for the big reveal here? Very good. So, get my saw activator on. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Oops. It's looking pretty silly. And I don't want to mess with it too much. Although there's a lot of black in the middle there. Let's see if I can blow it out a little bit. Alright, I don't want to disturb the cells too much. Okay, I'm gonna go in and try to blow it with my mouth. Here I go. Oh Lord, okay. Okie doke. You know what? I'm gonna leave some black space because maybe we don't mind black space, right? I'm going to blow out the edges a bit in case they stay there. We don't want to see lines. Ew, I'm already stepping on paint. Good. Oh, I can't reach. Okay. All right. It's coming back pretty good. So, you can see it's tilted this way a bit. So, let's see if we can, if it's moving. The middle's still a little stuck. Let's see. Okay. You know what, I should just spin it and let it be, right? Because, yeah, we're just gonna do it. Okay, here I go. So I'm gonna watch the numbers and I'm gonna slowly press on my thing. Wish me luck. Here we go. Okay. 70, 75. Oh, here we go. Woo! I'm just gonna spin it until it stops spinning. This is a good speed, I think. I can't see what's happening on the actual piece. Okay, let's see. Okay. That's pretty neat, if you ask me. Now, of course, you see the negative space. You might want to do it, but I don't even want to mess with it too much because the cells look good. Let's see if there's a lot of paint left. And it spun out a good amount of paint too. I hope you can see. The cells are good, not warped. Okay. You know what? Let me look far away. It's definitely like a rainbow explosion. Don't hate it. It seems to stay nicely. Just want to get those edges. And I think I got a lot of paint off and I didn't make a mess. Okay, I'll do a close-up now, but I'm pretty impressed with myself. Please let me know what you think. And it was a pleasure doing this today with you. Bye.